Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ocube. So as I got this trending Instagram GELE. If you're new here, please subscribe, and if you're returning, thanks for always coming back. I love you all so much. You see how this GELE is so beautiful? It's the latest trending Instagram GELE. So please do well to subscribe and also like and share this video with your friends and family. So without much ado, let's get started with this tutorial. So to start, I've formed my plate already and I've laid it on her forehead as usual. So I'm just going to cross over the ashoke into the two sides. I divided the ashoke into the ratio 7:30. So now I'll just bring out everything like this, then twist it out and lift it up. Then the other parts I'll do the same, twist it and carry it up too. Twist it to the end, then I carry it up. So sorry about I divided the ashoke actually into the ratio 50-50, not 70-30. So now that I've twisted the ashoke, I'll just place it and cross it on top of where my last twisted plate is. Then I'll carry it to the back like the extra end. I'll open it and spread it out. Then I'll take the tip and push it in through the twisted part while I try to arrange it out. Then the other side I'll do the same thing too. I will just open it and just push in the tip of the ashoke to allow it stand very well and stand very firmly while I open the other part. So it's actually like a bow, like on top of the twist. So this is actually pretty easy. So if you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe. You can see I don't use a pin, but if you want it to stand more and more like strong and firm, you can still use a pin. So this is just it. So guys, I'll see you all in my next one. I love you all so much. Bye loves.